Hi, it's Chris with WTI. A great family game on the Xbox One console is Farming Simulator 22.
The developer, Giant Software, has gone to great lengths to create a realistic view of modern-day farming. The farm you set up in the game can start off small, but can grow as big as you really want it to be. The visual detail that has gone into the farming equipment is amazing. It even shows the cab interiors as well as all their moving parts. You can also build the farm to your taste with a farmhouse, sheds, barns, silos, you name it. You're even able to do landscaping. I have found that everyone that plays this game is blown away by being able to drive large farming equipment found on a modern-day farm. Some of the vehicles are replicas of a lot of the leading manufacturers of farming equipment made today. You can even become a livestock farmer and raise sheep, pigs, cows, chickens, to name a few. It's amazing that you can plant, grow, and harvest just about any kind of crop available for human consumption. The game even shows seasonal changes, including weather, such as rain and snow. If you prefer, you can become a logger and operate large logging equipment, harvesting wood from a forest right on your own property. You can own horses and ride them. You can even have a dog on the farm.
This is a must-have game for the whole family, and that's my point of view.